guys, it's Saturday, February 17th, and we are headed to Indiana to go see a Luke Bryan concert. We are fixing to pick up our friends. It's Madeline's best friend, Madison. You guys have seen her in a vlog before, and her mom, and we're headed to Indiana, and we got a hotel. We're gonna stay the night and have a little girls' weekend, so we figured we would bring you guys along. So here we go. Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Come on, crazies. This is our room.
We have salt in here.
Salt.
Somebody hand me a card. I can't.
Why did you put salt?
Because we don't use hotel shampoos.
How do you do it?
So
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that is cool.
we're just gonna.
It's dark in here. It's little.
Oh, it smells.
Cue the lights.
Oh gosh,
Where are they all?
I don't know. Maybe
On.
we just get this lamp.
This is like this and that lamp.
Does it come on?
Where did this come on at? Oh, there's that one.
Oh, how do you turn them
There's a
on?
little switch on the side. Like,
Oh. Huh. And then there was light.
Where's the
So we're on the first floor. What is that?
look? They have another room.
Well,
There's extra ones too, Jessica, right there on the windowsill.
where?
Down, look, right there.
Oh, there's more. Did somebody forget these and leave them behind?
Ew, what are those little froggy looking things?
Froggy looking thing.
This is our view.
Oh, what is that? Wait, what are you
The pool's right over there. Walls is pretty.
Oh, it is.
Did you just say they might have poop on them?
No. Yeah, she did. I don't know why. They might though.
Oh
Seriously.
my gosh.
Look, what is this?
I don't know.
We should not open it.
Oh yeah, it's probably like where you can connect the two. Like if you have.
I'm gonna open it.
More, well, okay, you could try.
What is this right here?
You're brave. Is it unlocked? Are you scared? That's your mom. That's our closet.
Oh, but what is that?
I don't know. I think it's their. There's a mirror. There's me. Hello.
But what is that? What did I do?
Just try to open it. Here. Shh. Might be somebody sleeping over there. Oh, it's locked right here. I don't know. I ain't know. I'm too scared to open it.
Is it like a next door neighbor or something?
Yeah, I think it's connected to the other room. But certainly you can't just unlock it and go in there.
Let's go. We're just gonna
Don't worry. We want to know what's in that. Can you open it? We're not brave enough.
Oh, it's the other room, adjoining rooms.
I know, so unlock it. Okay, see if we can open it.
I don't think you can. Can you? You can't lock down Jessica.
On our
Oh my
side.
gosh, I'm scared.
Maybe they don't have it
They don't
locked
have
on it.
their lock. Maybe that's what it is. Oh my god.
It's gonna lure us.
Whoopsie doodle.
You're gonna murder us?
No.
Is that what you said?
What's that?
We're in a hotel.
Mommy.
You're gonna hear a lot of noises.
No, it's fine.
They can't get in here without a key.
Are you ready?
Let's see your outfits. we're all ready to go see Luke Bryan. We got our cowgirl boots on. And our hair's curled because we think Luke Bryan likes curled hair.
Yeah.
I got my boots on and I'm wearing that cardigan that I got from Target. I don't know if I like it though.
Excited.
Let's see, I want to see in the full length mirror. So, in the back, looks like that. But we're gonna go to Texas Roadhouse and eat first.
It's gonna be awesome.
And then we're gonna go.
Like an aisle, a chair, this. So what?
Where is the Ford Center? Is it like
The Ford Center?
Yeah.
No, right. Well, like kind of off to the right, I guess.
Pretty little girl, I'm one of those go down home, Indiana good.
Tell them how the Luke Bryan concert was.
Awesome. I loved it.
Yep, and we got to see Kip Moore was there, and some redhead guy that looked like Carrot Top. Don't know who he was, but
It was loud.
it was awesome.
I lost some of my hearing.
Yeah, it was loud. It was very loud. But yep, we had a good time. So good night.
Bye.
I've been praying through the evening.